Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you kind of just some of the gradebook settings in Google Classroom. Now, unfortunately, you can't change the gradebook settings to create different categories or individual items in Google Classroom, especially with an integrated Dropbox with Turnitin software and all that stuff. But you can go over to this Grades tab and look at all of the assignments that you've created. So I have several up here at the top, and it shows me what the grade is out of, like the point value. And if you click these three little dots, there are a couple different actions that you can do. You can edit that assignment, delete it. You can click grade all, or you can mark as complete for individual students. There's also this button over here on the left where you can sort your grade book by student last name or first name, as well as to see individual students here and see how they perform.